All right, we are green and supercharging, all set. All right, now that we're off and supercharging, you may have noticed a beautiful Model X came in and started supercharging next to me as I was getting set up. He's right back here. Now, notice where he is parked. He did the right thing. Let me explain. When you pull into a supercharger, you want to try to avoid parking next to other vehicles. When you share the same electrical line, you're actually splitting the power on that line, thus slowing down charging for yourself and the other person sharing that line on that charging port. All right, here is an example of what I'm talking about. Now, here is 3B and 3A. These two charging stations are on one central electrical line together. If we move down here, we take a look at 2B and 2A, 1B and 1A. These two stations are connected together, and those two stations are connected together. So again, if somebody came in and parked here right next to me on 2A, I would not be a happy camper. The general rule of thumb is, if there's space between you and the car, if there's more than enough spaces for you to take, park away from everybody else. It's Tesla etiquette.